Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for winning the Toyota Cup, which is their own cup. I think it's a very good confidence booster for the boys. It's going to help them to gain their confidence and then going to the MTN 8, going to the Premiership. But I don't think it was a wow game. The game was very quiet. There were not so many attacking options. There were not so many attacks to start. There's actually nothing to study from the game, according to my view, because the Chiefs didn't create too many chances. They had that shot on target, which was a very well taken goal by Vilakazi. He took it very well. The defense headed to the wrong side of the 18 area, but Vilakazi managed to put that ball down and then just tape it in, which was I call it a striker's goal, a kind of a goal like that. It's a striker's goal. But other than that, I think Vilakazi also played well. I think Vilakazi played very well as well. You could see when he was moving forward. You could see when he was tracking back and then trying to initiate those attacks. But there was nothing much to read. The notes that I took is that this player, Riff Rosler, was playing centre-back, of which I don't think he can take Kaizer Chiefs to the season playing in that position. I think Kaizer Chiefs need to try something else. There is Kevin Msimang on the bench. There is Zitakwinika. There is Muloisane as well. So I think those are the players that can really play in the center of the park. I don't think Riff Rosler will stand the heat of playing there. The waves of attacks from South African teams, I don't think he can stand them from that position. White, yes, I agree, but I'm not writing him off. Maybe the coach has seen something, but according to me, I didn't see anything. I also expected Ronaldo Lina to be given a run, but he wasn't. But anyway, he's a goalkeeper, so anyway, he will be warming the bench for the rest of for much of the season, not the rest. For much of the season, he will be warming the bench because Peterson is so good. But like I said, this was a very good confidence booster for Kaizer Chiefs. Though I have issues with their signings. They didn't sign enough players to take them forward. They didn't sign enough attacking players. They didn't sign enough creative players. But I was happy to see Luke Bantman play, to see Velepai play, to see Vilakazi start the game. That was very good. Mdu is still injured, and I'm not sure how much time left for him to come back. But I still feel Kaizer Chiefs should have signed more players, because even their coach said that they need to sign some players. But it was surprising because it was after the season. It was after the off-season camp in Spain when the coach said that. So I don't know how they did that, how they didn't plan before. But I think this was a good confidence booster just to lift that trophy. It's going to boost the boys. Kaizer Chiefs, I cannot say they will be hot. I couldn't read much into this game. Yes, that Zimbabwean team, you could see they were organized, but also they were not so good in entering the dangerous areas. So when I was there in the second half and Kama Billiard, but I didn't see much of them. Anyway, they are aging, but they could show they are a good team. To be beaten by South African team 1-0 may say something about your game. But other than that, it was not a wow game, but a good confidence booster for Chiefs. Thank you.